Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use the FieldGenius line manager. So this allows you to quickly switch between active lines and allow you to quickly manage your line drawing inside of FieldGenius. So what I've done before the video started was I've connected up to a simulator here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to select the CHL fence option here, and I'm going to start drawing a line here. So I'm just going to lay out a point. I'm going to let my simulator walk a bit, lay out a second point, and then finally lay out a third point on this line. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this line off and I'm going to change my description to something else. Let's say I'm now measuring the two corners of a deck here. So I'm going to go RTK fixed, record a point, and then I'm going to record a second point here as well. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to reselect my fence option here and then restart a new line here. So I'm going to lay out a line, and you can see here at the bottom where it says CHL fence, there's now a :2 option because I've created the second line using the same description as my first ones. And as my simulator turns around here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my first line and reconnect to that one. So I'm going to go to my figure list here and select the first option here. And if I hit RTK fixed, you're going to see that my line is going to project not from my second group of points, but my first. And if I take another shot, you can see that my line now continues as that first figure. And if I want to switch back to my second one at any time, I can just hit that CHL fence and change it to the second one. And if I shoot a point here, you can see I now have these two sets of crossing lines. So that's how I use the figure manager to quickly change between active lines in FieldGenius. But for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how I use the figure manager to quickly switch between active lines in FieldGenius. If you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on this YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.